Good morning, this is Doug and Cindy. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about caregiver stress. You don't look very stressed. You got a nice...
Isn't that beautiful? Hydrangea.
Hydrangea, yeah.
That's a beautiful color.
It is, but if you're serving as a caregiver for a loved one, you may be going through a period of stress right now. And I know you can relate to that because you did it, right?
I did it. I had a 5-year journey as a caregiver for my mom. And in the beginning, it wasn't so hard because she was still able to do a lot of things for herself. But as her health declined, things got more and more and more worrisome to me. I was always concerned about, was I doing the right thing? Was I doing enough? Should I do this? Should I do that? And when small emergencies, to me they were emergencies, came up, I didn't have a community to tap into. I didn't know other caregivers, but I did know some of the service providers, the people who were non-medical caregivers, hospice, and nurses, physical therapists. So that helped a lot. But I was just going from day to day, kind of putting out fires until like the last 2 years. And then we figured out there's a better way.
And we see many caregivers that are trying to juggle job, their own family, grandkids activities, many things, and they're trying to be 2 or 3 or 5 places at once, and it just doesn't work. You just need a system in place to make it work. And with a system in place, we found out it makes all the difference in the world. You can come out early in the morning and sit there and have a cup of coffee, smell the flowers, and take some time for yourself, because without that time for yourself, you can, and we see many of them that do go through early burnout. They just push themselves past the point where they should push themselves, and they go through physical or emotional burnout, and it's just not a good place. So we're going to be talking in an upcoming series of videos about reducing caregiver stress and tips and techniques, and we hope you join us for this series. Thank you for watching today. We'll talk to you again soon.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.